G'day guys, it's Ashton Cartwright here from PaidAuthor.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use a cool new bit of software called Bookbrush, which helps authors design graphics for social media or for their newsletters or for their pay-per-click advertising based on their book covers. It's relatively new, it only sort of came out this year, and I'm a huge fan. So this is the site, Bookbrush.com. There'll be a link just below this video if you want to try it out. Now the cool thing about Bookbrush is it's basically 1 or 2 clicks to get a cool graphic of your book. You don't have to know Photoshop, you don't have to be a graphic designer or anything like that. It's very, very intuitive and very, very straightforward. Now this is the free version. There is an upgraded version, and I'll show you the difference between those in a moment. The cool thing about the free version is you get 5 free downloads, so you can do 5 different graphics to promote your book, to find out if you actually like the program before you even bother putting a single penny onto it. I'll show you how it all works. So you upload your book here once you've created a free account. So I'm going to click here to upload my book. We're going to do my brother's book, Obsidian Chamber, which is coming out soon. So we'll upload the book cover there, and then we'll see what we can do with it. Now, one of the great things is, with regards to social media, if you just post your cover every time, people start to get advertising blindness. They've seen that cover before, they've lost interest. But using software like this, you can get different designs. Here are some of the ones you can have a look at that other people have done. You can put interesting graphics, background images. For this one, for example, you can see they've used the book cover image as a background for the book cover again. These sorts of things are really, really useful, and they also help you look very professional when it comes to your marketing, particularly when you're paying for things like Facebook ads or ads that appear on Instagram, things like that. You want everything to look crisp, you want it to look 100% like you know what you're doing. Alrighty, so now this cover has been uploaded. Let's see how we go from here. We'll go over to, let's try Instant Mockups and see what we can do there. Okay, here we go. So you get a few options here on the free plan, which is what we're on now. So we'll see if we can come up with some cool images based on that. So we can, as you can see here, these check boxes aren't blocked out, which means we can use any of these options. Whereas these somewhat more complicated images, you'll need the paid plan for. At the moment, it's about $100 for a year's subscription to Bookbrush, but they're offering all our readers on PaidAuthor.com a discount of 10% if you use the code PaidAuthor10 when you book. We'll be doing that in just a moment. Alrighty, so let's say we want to make a cover that looks kind of like this. This one looks pretty cool. We'll give that a go. So we'll select that particular cover, which is step 1. Let's see, select the image you want. So we want to use that cover. We've only got the one there now. And this is the graphic we want to use. Actually, let's use this one. That one looks pretty cool. That looks good. And then down the bottom here, you'll see a button that says convert now. So let's see how we go. This sort of thing is also particularly good if you have requirements regarding the sizing of what you're doing. So this one's perfect square, so it's good for things like Instagram. Okay, here we go. It's all done. Download your image. So it'll download as a zip file. So what I'll do is I'll just pull that up here and open it up. Let's see what happens. There we go. 1 second, I'll just drag this over here so we can see it. Oh, I've lost it. Extract all. I know how to do things. There we go. Alright, so here we go, and here's the image. Oh, ta-da! So that is pretty cool considering it only took 2 or 3 seconds to create. And that's a great sort of look for things like Instagram. If you want Facebook images, use the same process, and you select some of the other ones. So let's try another one now. That's all done. Stop and close. What we might do is try one of these 3D looking covers. So it reckons this particular dimension is good for Pinterest. These horizontal ones are pretty good for Facebook, particularly for that advertising you see in sort of on your computer. The right hand column, that shape is just perfect to slot in there if you're planning some advertising that way. But let's see what this one comes out as. We'll use this book again. Convert now. Fantastic. Download your images. Wonderful. We'll just drag that up there. Wonderful. Let's see. Very cool. That looks great. That looks great. And like I say, if you're only doing 1 or 2 downloads or 1 or 2 images, it's completely free. I absolutely recommend everyone tries it out at least. You may find, no, it annoys me for whatever reason, or you may find, wow, this is the biggest time saver and money saver ever. Usually, because I have no skill whatsoever in Photoshop or graphic design or anything like that, so if I want to create an image like this, I'll usually have to find someone on Fiverr or something like that and wait a few days for them to send it back to me. Whereas this, 1 or 2 clicks, and you're all sorted. I think that's absolutely fantastic. So give it a go. There should be a link just below this video. If you do try the paid version, PaidAuthor.com is the code you use to get a 10% discount. So even if the prices change in the future, that will always give you a 10% discount. Wonderful. I hope you've enjoyed that video. My name's Ashton. I'm going to end this here and then make another one showing the benefits of the paid version. We'll give that a go next. Thanks very much.